Io, oil, yo, tells an action. It also describes a state. How do they change? Let's find out. Now let's learn together. If a verb ends in I or O, use io. 가다 becomes 가요. 오다 becomes 와요. 밝다 becomes 밝아요. If there's no I or O, use 어요. 먹다 becomes 먹어요. 읽다 becomes 읽어요. 예쁘다 becomes 예뻐요. If a verb ends in 하다, it can change to 하여요. But usually we just say 해요. 공부하다 becomes 공부해요. 청소하다 becomes 청소해요. 노래하다 becomes 노래해요. Remember them well. Listen to the final sound carefully. If there's not or O, use io. If not, then use 어요. If it's 하다, it can be 하여요. But we usually say 해요. It's not hard at all. Singing makes learning so easy.
감사합니다.